Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to engrave ceramics using our dual cursor handheld laser engraving machine. First, rotate the emergency stop button to release it, then press the power button to turn on the machine. Fill a cup with clean water. Use pre-cut laser transfer paper. It's more convenient for positioning. Place the paper into the water for about 20 seconds. Then gently remove it and set it aside. Tap File, Open, Hard Drive, and select the saved design file. Click Open. Go Edit and Content Settings to modify the text or logo. At the bottom, enter the correct width and height to match the transfer paper. Go to Marking Settings and select Blue Light for ceramic engraving. Press the handle button once to preview the